It looks like a stone, but it hides a lethal secret. This is the stonefish, the most venomous fish in the ocean.
One wrong touch can cause paralysis. Yet, inside this monster lies a fortune.
Transforming this beast requires nerves of steel and surgical precision.
From a venomous rock to a world-class delicacy. Welcome inside the world's most dangerous seafood factory. Let the process begin.
The journey begins at the intake bay. Freshly frozen from the Indo-Pacific reefs, thousands of pounds of stonefish arrive daily.
Their camouflage is perfect, designed to blend into the ocean floor. But here, there is nowhere to hide.
Before processing can begin, the sea muck must be blasted away. High-pressure jets scour the rough exterior. Rotating brushes remove stubborn algae and parasites clinging to their rock-like bodies.
Cleaned of debris, the true colors of the stonefish are revealed. But the danger remains.
The process is humane and instant. Before the knife touches the skin, the fish is neutralized to prevent muscle spasms during cutting.
Step 1 is disarmament. The 13 dorsal spines, each containing a sac of pressure-sensitive venom, are hydraulically sheared off.
Even after death, these spines are dangerous. This milky fluid is the neurotoxin that causes agonizing pain. It must be completely removed. With the hazard gone, the butcher opens the cavity. The skin is surprisingly thick, almost like leather.
The internal organs are removed in a single motion to avoid rupturing the gallbladder, which could bitter the meat.
A rapid flush ensures the cavity is pristine. Now comes the most satisfying part of the process, the skinning.
Stonefish skin is too tough to scale. It must be peeled off like a jacket. The butcher outlines the separation point.
Grip is everything. The skin adheres tightly to the muscle fascia.
This is the magic moment. Underneath that hideous rock-like exterior lies some of the whitest flesh in the ocean.
The transformation is startling. The ugly duckling of the reef has become a premium product.
The meat is dense and firm, similar to lobster. The knife glides along the spine, maximizing yield.
Every fillet is checked by hand. Any remaining pin bones are surgically extracted.
For the highest grade sashimi, the red bloodline is removed. Only the pure white snow meat remains.
The catch is divided. The pristine loin cuts head to the cryogenic tunnel for sashimi grade, while the collars and cheeks move to the steam line.
Uniformity is key for high-end export. The irregular fillets are shaped into standard blocks, ready for the sushi chef's knife.
Oxygen is the enemy of freshness. Vacuum sealing locks the quality in time, preserving the delicate moisture of the fish.
They enter the cryogenic tunnel. Here, liquid nitrogen drops the temperature to minus 60 degrees Celsius in minutes.
Flash freezing prevents cell damage. When thawed, this stonefish will taste as if it was caught seconds ago.
Meanwhile, the rich, fatty collars are prepared for a different fate. These cuts are prized for their gelatinous texture.
They are loaded into high-pressure industrial steamers. Pure water vapor cooks the meat gently, retaining its natural sweetness.
12 minutes at precise humidity. The collagen breaks down, making the meat incredibly tender.
The reveal. The meat is now firm, bouncy, and glistening with natural oils.
To enhance the flavor profile, the surface is flash seared. This Aburi style adds a smoky complexity to the sweet meat.
The Maillard reaction caramelizes the proteins, unlocking a savory aroma that is impossible to resist.
Finally, a savory soy reduction glaze is applied. The stonefish absorbs the sauce, creating a perfect balance of sweet and savory.
Excess glaze drains away, leaving a perfect, sticky coating that clings to the meat.
The cooked product must be cooled rapidly to prevent bacterial growth and set the glaze. The bounce test confirms the texture.
It is firm, not mushy. Perfect. We enter the white room. Here, the environment is controlled to pharmaceutical standards. Nothing leaves this room without passing the strictest tests.
Using backlighting, inspectors perform candling. The light penetrates the frozen block, exposing any hidden parasites or blood spots that might have been missed.
Even the smallest imperfection is unacceptable. At this price point, the visual presentation must be flawless.
Safety is the priority. The X-ray scanner hunts for the ghost of a threat, any fragment of the venomous spines that might remain.
Following the X-ray, a high-sensitivity metal detector ensures no hook fragments or knife tips have contaminated the supply.
The fish is graded on color and fat content. Only the purest snow-white blocks earn the Grade A label for the Japanese market.
Passed, checked, certified. The stonefish is now ready for its final journey.
The clock is ticking. Insulated styrofoam boxes are assembled at lightning speed to maintain the cold chain.
Precision packing ensures no movement during transit. Every centimeter of space is utilized.
To survive the long flight to international markets, dry ice is added, locking the temperature at Arctic levels.
Sealed, secured, and tamper-proof. The package is now a self-contained deep freeze.
From this factory, the stonefish will travel thousands of miles to the world's seafood capitals.
Palletized and wrapped, thousands of dollars worth of luxury seafood is ready for the runway. The logistics are flawless. Within 24 hours, this catch will be on the other side of the world.
And finally, the journey ends here. From a venomous monster of the deep to a masterpiece on the plate. This is the miracle of the stonefish.